Alright, in this assignment, we are going to update email and address whose name is Harry Jones. So for this as well, I am going to use the same API and extend the logic to incorporate our requirement. To achieve this, I'll pass two objects in request body. The first object I will create is filter and the value by which we want to filter. That is name colon Harry Jones, comma, and the second object I will say data colon, and in this I can use either to set or unset the columns. Here I will use $set because I want to update or add the property value. $set colon email colon, let's say nj@newdomain.com, and address colon nj. So this is how we will send the data. Let me just console and show how the data will be retrieved in the API. Putting a console log request.body.filter and request.body.data. So this will be replaced here in filter parameter and the body will be replaced in the second parameter. So to use these data, I will change the first parameter to request.body.filter and the second parameter to request.body.data, because now we are sending the data in data property of the body object. Let's save this and now execute this from Postman. I'll click on send and here it says modified count 1. Now if I want to update all the records, I will pass filter property as an empty object. Change some data and click send. Now it says modified count 4. That means filter and data both are working as expected. So this way we can use the APIs to update the data. Well, there is no predefined rule that we need to create a single API for update or create different APIs for different types of update.